Hey crafty friends, today we are going to make a gift bag for a guy, and this is actually for a groom is how we're going to make it. We're going to use the gift bag die set from Pixi Dust Designs. Here's the front, there's the back set of dies. We're also going to be using the brand new vest gift bag add-on set. You have the vest, the buttons, and all the little accessories. Plus you get the, there's more accessories in the back so you can make it for like a handyman, a fisherman. There's several different things you can make for it. So we're going to be using that today. I've actually already cut out all my parts and pieces for the project. So I've cut out the parts of the bag, plus the parts of the vest and his little shirt. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take and burnish our score lines. So I'm just going to go through, use my bone folder, give the bag a nice good crease. On all of our score lines, you can see that the die cuts and also gives you the score lines that you need. So we're going to go ahead and do all those. Now, these little parts are the gussets of the bag, so you're going to kind of push those into inside in a little bit to kind of help the bag start taking shape. It's just to help you get the bag where it needs to go. All right, I'm going to open the bag back up. Let's get it around right. We're going to take and adhere our little flap. We're going to start with one side and then we'll do the other side. So I'm just going to add some liquid glue. There, and I'm going to flip it upside down and just line up the bag part. And you don't want to go over the score line, just line it up right at that score line and give that glue a little bit of time to catch. Then we'll go ahead and do the other side as well. And then I'm just going to take and flip it over, fold that over, and then I can just simply fold it over and line it up. Give our glue a little bit of chance to dry. And then we have our bottom part. So this just folds in. That's going to get popped down in there. And these will get popped in there as well. Now you could totally like add some glue in there if you wanted to. I think I will add a little glue on those little flaps just to give it that little extra security. Just going to add a dot on those ends. I'll tuck those under there. And then I will run a little bit of glue just on the edge right here, just to add a little bit of extra security on there. Pop everything lined up, pop back in. It has that little gusset in there, so it's we can fold that. And then it has a little flap right there that just is going to tuck in to hold your bag closed. Just like that. All right, so there's the base of our bag. Now we're going to decorate it. So we're going to add our little decorative piece here for his collar. I'm going to fold those down. And inside the vest die set, there is another collar. If you wanted to choose to use that, you could. I cut it just in case. I'm going to add that, and we're just going to line it up right at the top of our gift bag. All right, I have my little vest here, and the vest cuts in two different parts. You have one side that goes for one side, and then the other side is cut the other side. So we'll go ahead and layer these on. Line that up at the edge of the shirt and the edge of the gift bag. We'll do the other side. This would be fun for prom or, like I said, a wedding. It would be great little groom's gifts. All right, we're going to add our little buttons and our little pockets. So let me grab a pickup tool to make this easier. We have 3 little buttons. So I'm going to do one here, here, and here. I'm just going to pop my little buttons in place. Just like so. Now we also have the parts of the vest for the little collar. We have buttons for his shirt as well. We'll go ahead and add a couple buttons for his shirt. And then we have his little, for the little ascot and the pockets. The larger ones are going to be for your pocket of the vest. They're more at an angle. And then I'm going to attach just add a little bit of glue along the bottom of his little ascot here. So that we can kind of tuck that into the pocket. Then I'll add that all at one time. And we have our bow tie. It's actually 3 parts. There's one that's slightly smaller. We're going to layer that one on top of the other bow tie, the bigger one, so that it looks like it's actually tied. And then we have our little center. Pop that on. So now we have a nice little layered bow tie. And I'm going to go ahead and tack the collar down. And then we're going to add our little bow tie. Right there. All right, my friends, there's our little gift bag. All ready for a prom or groomsman to receive his little treats in. And it does close. You just have to push it in and down in there, tuck it down in there, and it closes. So it's a perfect little treat for a masculine present. And if you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up over here, and I will see you over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.